welcome to my channel. My name's Brandy. I'm 32 years old. I'm from North Carolina. I'm married and I have a 7-year-old son. I do work full-time outside the home, and really what I want these videos to show is how fun, crazy, and real that side of motherhood can be. For instance, you'll notice in this Decorate With Me that I'm decorating in my pajamas. A lot of what I do will take place in the evenings and on weekends, and I just want to be comfortable and keep it real for you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna hop into the video. I hope you enjoy. Am I the only one who dreads fluffing the tree every year when decorating for Christmas? This one thing makes me consider getting a real tree every year. The branches are so prickly, I feel like I should wear those rubber cleaning gloves to protect my arms. Part of the reason I'm wearing a long sleeve hoodie here. Liam wanted to get on this ladder so badly. I'm sure you guys can tell by his jumping around and hopping on the first step and then getting down and walking around it constantly. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this ribbon was the bane of my existence this year. It doesn't seem like it's ever been that tough for me to get this ribbon looking the way I want it to on the tree, but this year really did me in, and it took me a while to get it how I wanted it, but I finally got it. With a little instruction from his dad, here's Liam showing you guys his 2018 Hallmark grandson ornament from his Grammy. You'll notice a little later that these are a tradition on our tree. Since this is my first video and I'm brainstorming ideas, please let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see. I'm thinking some working mom vlogs, more Decorate With Me videos, and maybe even some cleaning, baking, or organization videos. If you have any questions about the decor that I don't answer in this video, please comment below and I'll answer. Alright, the tree is finally finished and I'd like to share a few of my favorite ornaments with y'all. Our tree is made up of sentimental ornaments throughout our 15-year relationship. From travel, to a new home, to a new baby. We have ornaments from close vacation spots like the Blue Ridge Parkway in Wilmington, North Carolina, to places far away from us like London, Paris, and the Netherlands. You'll notice several lighthouse ornaments on our tree. Those landmarks are one of my favorites to visit when we're near a coastal city. You'll also notice that a common travel theme is coastal. The beach is one of my favorite places to be. I rarely change up my mantle year to year, but this is something you'll see me struggling to decorate too. I just couldn't decide where I wanted everything. I'd go over a few key pieces from my mantle in case you guys are wondering where anything is from. The snowman and lantern I picked up from Walmart and hand painted. The stocking hangers and monogrammed stockings are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and the Dear Santa sign is from Target. It's one of my favorite photo op pieces for Liam. Here on the entertainment center, the snowmen are from Costco, the Blessed Ben is from Walmart, and the picture frame is from Bass Pro Shops. Over at the stairs, I'm keeping it simple with some white lights and garland. These little trees are clothespin card holders, as are the snowflakes on the mantle. This countdown to Christmas snowman is from Target's Dollar Spot, my favorite area of the store to shop. Our table centerpiece I created by throwing lots of items together. The doorknob hanger is from Walmart. This cute little door wreath is from Walmart. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and feel free to chat in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time.